Hello, my name is Alexandra Saraiva, and I'm an integrated doctoral research at DINÂMIA'CET-Iscte. In April 2022, I started the research, learning from the past the importance of formal participatory housing production for the coming years. So, my investigation traced the emergence of participatory social architecture in Portugal, focusing mainly on the work of the fourth generation of Portuguese modern architects in relation to the housing issue in Portugal after 1974. This research aims to explore, particularly focusing as a case study on the work of Estes, an architect who has been my research focus since my PhD in 2011. Between 2015 and 2022, I received a postdoctoral fellowship from FCT, and the main goal of that research was understanding the architecture of Estes, going through the constant triangulation between the Mediterranean, Scandinavian architecture, and the work of Louis K. Although Estes was very important as responsible for the SAL intervention in the Fonseca de Calçada neighborhoods, he integrates, listens to, and respects all the stakeholders like technicians, residents, policymakers, seeking to meet the wishes of the resident population. The participatory factor associated with this operation kept Ferreira connected to the neighborhood since its construction over 4 decades, supporting residents in carrying out small changes as well in the regularization of the neighborhood's license that happened in 2016. The SAL program achieved the greatest impact and active intervention by the population, although it was only active for 26 months, ending in the 10th climax of political change. Although it was an unique moment as the state legitimized a radical idea of direct democracy that offered an alternative to top-down development strategies. That's why co-creation is very important in architecture, and the SAL program was a co-creation program that introduced a collaborative approach into the process. The most obvious advantage of collaboration is that it provides an efficient way of aggregating knowledge to respond to the increasingly complex and demanding problems in the city. Currently, it's essential to find connections to transfer previous knowledge to present, namely through the interpretation of participatory strategies, whose updating the history and the theory of Portuguese architecture in the face of the international scenario.